Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunity Circle, the number one discovering platform. This time, Opportunity Circle is back with another amazing opportunity. It is a fully funded scholarship known as Joint Japan World Bank Scholarship Program. The Joint Japan World Bank Scholarship is an opportunity for individuals from developing countries to study in top countries. This is a fully funded master's scholarship program that aims to help international students with 2 years or more experience in the development sector and look forward to earn a graduate or master's degree in a program related to development. So the applicants applying for this scholarship must be accepted to one of the 48 programs in the United States of America, Japan, Africa, various countries in Europe, and Oceania in order to be selected for the World Bank Scholarship Program. The students who cannot study abroad due to economic, political, or financial restrictions must avail this opportunity and apply for the Joint Japan World Bank Scholarship. To be eligible for this scholarship, the applicant must have citizenship in one of the eligible countries. He or she must have completed a bachelor's degree no less than 3 years before applying for this scholarship. The applicant must have at least 3 years of work experience after the completion of a bachelor's degree, specifically in the development sector. The applicant should not have any major health issues. Furthermore, they must not have any relative working for the World Bank. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunity Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. To apply for this fully funded scholarship, click on the link given in the description section of this video. After clicking on that, you'll be redirected to this webpage. Here you can read all the information related to this scholarship, scroll down towards the application process section and click on Apply Now. After clicking on Apply Now, click on Sign Up to create your account and start the application process. For signing up, you need to put your email address, password, and then you need to confirm the password and click on Sign Up. After signing up, click on Create a Profile to get started. In the Profile section, you need to put the personal data. After putting in the personal data, you need to put the contact information and then click on Create Profile. Once you successfully create your profile, you'll be redirected to this webpage. Here you have to click on Get Started to start your application process. After clicking on Get Started, this webpage will open for you. Here on this page, there are some instructions related to the application form of this scholarship. Read these instructions carefully. After successfully reading the instructions, click on the first step of this application form and click on Open. It will open up the application form of this scholarship. You need to complete all the required fields in this form, and you can save this form as a draft and you can come back later on to complete the form. But once you save this application form, you'll not be able to make any changes in it. In the first section of this form, you need to answer the questions related to your citizenship, then the highest level of education completed by your parents, then your own education, like what you have studied previously. Then you need to answer the question related to Japan financing. After that, you need to choose the program you are interested in. Then you have to put the information related to your employment. If you have done any internship, you need to put the information related to it. You need to put all the details. After that, you need to put the statement of purpose. After getting done with the statement of purpose, you need to upload all the required documents. After successfully uploading the documents, you need to tell that from where did you hear about this scholarship. In the end of this form, you need to certify the given points and then you need to click on Agree, put your signatures, date, and after getting done with all this, click on Mark Complete. If you want to come back to this form again and if you want to make some changes in it, then don't click on Mark Complete, click on Save Draft. When your form gets fully completed, then click on Mark Complete. After marking it complete, you'll be redirected to this web page again. Here you have to scroll down and then click on the second step of this application form. That is why you need to click on Open. After coming on this page, click on New Request. So here in the second step of this application form, you need to provide the name of the recommender and email of the recommender so that the recommender can provide the recommendation letters for you. Then click on send. The minimum requirement for the recommendation is 2, so you need to provide the name of 2 recommenders and their email addresses as well. Therefore, you need to click on new request again. Here you need to put in the name of your second recommender and the email of the second recommender as well. After this, you'll not be able to make more requests. Then you have to click on close. When every step in this submission is complete, the submit button to the right will become green and clickable. Click on it and submit your application form. After clicking on that, your application form will be successfully submitted. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.